Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and innovative way to grow tomatoes. Upside down tomato planters. Yep, you heard that right. We'll be turning gardening on its head. Quite literally. So, why grow tomatoes upside down? Well, it's a space-saving technique, perfect for those with limited garden space or even apartment dwellers with just a balcony. Plus, it helps to keep pests at bay and minimizes the risk of diseases. And let's not forget, it's a real conversation starter. Now, let's get into how to make your very own upside-down tomato planter. First off, you'll need a few things: a sturdy bucket or container, a tomato plant, determinate varieties work best, potting soil, scissors, and some string or wire for hanging. Step 1. Drill a hole in the bottom of your bucket for drainage. This is crucial to prevent waterlogging, which could harm your tomato plant. Step 2. Fill your bucket with potting soil, leaving enough room for your tomato plant at the top. Make sure the soil is nice and moist but not waterlogged. Step 3. Take your tomato plant and gently remove it from its container. Be careful not to damage the roots. Step 4. Place the tomato plant through the hole in the bottom of the bucket, so the roots are inside the bucket and the plant is sticking out from the top. Step 5. Hang your upside-down tomato planter in a sunny spot. Tomatoes love sunlight, so make sure it gets at least 6-8 hours of sun each day. And there you have it, your very own upside-down tomato planter. Now, remember to water your plant regularly, especially during hot weather. And don't forget to fertilize every few weeks to keep those tomatoes growing nice and juicy. Thanks for joining us today, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning about upside-down tomato planters as much as we enjoyed making one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.